Started.
In progress.
Welcome everyone sa ating Live Good Affiliate Marketing Presentation. So right now, nandito tayo para mag-share ng isang napakagandang opportunity. And if you're someone na naghahanap ng extra income, side hustle, or alam mo yun, pagkakakitaan gamit ang cellphone at internet mo, well, maybe this is for you. If you're an OFW, you're employed, or you are busy parent, no? Nasa bahay ka and you're full time, no? And kahit paano, may time ka pa mag-cellphone and gusto mong i-maximize, no, ang paggamit ng gadget mo. And if you are a student or mayroon or baka meron ditong mga retired, no? May mga senior na nagse-cellphone na lang, no? So why not gamitin natin yung ating gadget na maging tinatawag na money making machine through this program. Ayan. So I'm excited na mag-share sa inyo about this opportunity and make sure, syempre na mapatapos mo itong ating presentation and I'm sure marami kang makukuhang value dito. So, before we get started, so pakilala muna ako sa inyo. So, again, welcome. I'm Coach Mark Nile Dagaslas and I'm one of the Live Good pioneers. I've been in this business, no, for quite a while na rin and professional network marketer. So I've been in this industry for quite a while na rin. Okay? And one of the speakers bureau. Okay, and full-time na rin po natin itong ginagawa. Ito na po yung ating bread and butter and I'm the founder of my team, Zill Empire, and currently a platinum rank member. But this presentation is not all about me, but rather it's all about you, your goals, your dreams, kung paano ba natin yan ma-attain this year through the help of this opportunity. Kaya I want you to tune in and don't tune out. So, before we proceed, meron tayo ditong short disclaimer na itong presentation natin is intended to provide an overview, no, kung ano ba itong Live Good business opportunity. Ayan. So, wala tayong binibigay dito ng mga legal, financial, or even investment advices. Ayan. So, this is purely an educational, kumbaga, advices lang, okay? Yan yung i-share natin dito, educational purpose, no? And all potential ng mga earnings and even results na i-share ko po later on are illustrative lang po. And hindi dapat i-considered as typical kasi kahit saan naman po, no, in any kind of business, yung success natin ay madidetermine ng ating of course ano po, no, efforts, time na invest natin. Ayan. So hopefully, no, clear po sa atin. So, before tayo mag-proceed and mag-start ng ating presentation, meron na akong i-share sa inyo na short video wherein nag-share po dito ang ating CEO, si Ben. So, siya po mismo muna ang magbibigay ng bird's eye view on who and what this company is. So, let's watch first the short video of our CEO, Ben Glinsky.
Hi, my name is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of LiveGood. Since we launched just a few short years ago, LiveGood has become the fastest growing company in the entire health and wellness industry and the fastest growing company ever in the network marketing industry. And we haven't just broken records, we have absolutely shattered them, with over 2 million people already having joined LiveGood in just the first few years. Hundreds of thousands of people all over the world are generating extra income from home. We've paid out over $100 million in commissions, introduced close to 50 of the highest quality, life-changing products. We've been featured all over the internet, on podcasts, news articles, even on TV. We are changing lives. And the most exciting part is this is just the beginning. So how has LiveGood become so successful the past few years while so many other companies are struggling, losing customers, and going out of business? One word: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in the wellness space, trends in the economy. What worked 5 or 10 years ago isn't working today. The world has changed. Buying habits have shifted. Consumers are not spending money the way they used to. They're getting smarter. They're comparing quality, comparing ingredients, value, and no longer blindly believing anything they see or hear on the internet. People are looking for ways to save money without compromising quality. And companies still doing it the old way, making a product for $5 and trying to sell it for 60, doesn't work anymore. In the words of our Director of Field Development, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. People want and deserve value. They want high quality for a fair price. And that's exactly what we're doing at Live Good. Alongside our world-class team, including industry expert Lisa Goodkin and leading formulator, Dr. Ryan Goodkin, the scientific mind behind our products, creating only the highest quality, cleanest, healthiest, premium nutritional supplements and making them available for just a few dollars above cost. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than best-selling non-organic Super Beets for half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 750 milligrams CBD for as much as $80. We have the highest quality premium USDA certified organic CBD oil available anywhere for just $14.95. So what does this mean for you? Well, on top of saving a ton of money on the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to help you get healthy, stay healthy, and do it in an affordable way, we also have the most powerful opportunity to earn income as well. When you have the highest quality supplements at the lowest prices anywhere, it makes it very easy for people to understand and want to join. And on top of having products that literally sell themselves, we also have the simplest and most duplicatable compensation plan and power line driven marketing system the industry has ever seen, proven by over 2 million members joining in just the first few years. So the way the power line works, when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position in the power line and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the power line. Each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our 2x15 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. Each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. Now, since it's a 2x matrix, that means everyone has 2 frontline positions. Once those 2 spots are filled, the only place everyone else can go is under the people who are already in. So anyone who falls below you in the matrix, whether you enrolled them or they were placed there by someone else, you will get paid on them. So even one person in your matrix who goes to work and builds a team could very realistically be earning you hundreds of dollars a month in residual income. And if you want to earn even more, just by enrolling 2 people, you triple your earning potential by qualifying for our matching bonuses. Without enrolling people, you have the potential to earn up to $2,047 per month in the matrix. If you decide to share the products and opportunity with others, there's no limit as to how much you can earn. Just by being a member of Live Good, not only do you get to save money on the highest quality products at the lowest prices every day, but getting in this early, you also have a huge opportunity to get in before the real growth happens. 2 million members in just our first few years is absolutely amazing. Never been done before in the history of the home-based business industry. But that is a tiny number compared to where we're going to be in the next few years. None of us are getting everything we need out of our daily diets. Everyone needs nutritional supplements. 60% of people are already using supplements. That's over 5 billion people worldwide. And Live Good is the only company on the planet offering the highest quality, cleanest, healthiest, premium products at the lowest prices anywhere. Talk about a competitive advantage. Once people see Live Good, they can't unsee it. Nobody is going back to spending $60 on a greens powder when they could get the best one on the market for $19.95. That's why over the next few years, as millions and millions of people hear about Live Good, we fully expect 10 million, 20 million, potentially 50 million people or more to join Live Good. It just makes sense. And the only place for them to go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in. So the sooner you lock in your position, the sooner people can be placed in your team. Don't miss this opportunity. Fill out the form on the right, check out all of our life-changing products on the website, and it's not hard to see why millions of people are making the switch to Live Good. Getting healthy, staying healthy, doing it in an affordable way, and earning extra income in their spare time from home with Live Good. Fill out the form. We'll see you at the top.
See you all at the top. So at least right now you have an idea on who and what this company is. So syempre, ngayon dito sa ating presentation, mas explain natin yung sinabi ng ating CEO. Kaya make sure again na nakatune in ka and don't tune out. So welcome again. Welcome to this amazing company called Live Good. So Live Good launched globally on December 13, 2022. So as of now, na ginagawa po natin tong presentation, mag 4 years pa lang po ang company. And Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused in the wellness and digital service industry. So ngayon, share ko lang din sa inyo why Live Good. I know maraming mga companies out there, but why Live Good? Okay? So simply because of these reasons. Actually, marami naman, but for now, I'll just give you 6 muna. So number 1, we have amazing products. When you say amazing, we mean it. When it comes to quality, potency, and transparency. Yes, so may mga certifications din tayo na magpapatunay na mga lahat ng products natin ay may lab test. Okay, so organic as well. Okay, and not just that, number 2, incredible yung prices. Kasi alam ko, yung iba sa inyo is nakatry na rin na gumamit ng ibang products, no? Nagandahan ka. Kaya kaso nga lang, ang mahal. Tama? Kaya hirap i-maintain. Pero dito, okay, ngayon bigyan ko po kayo ng hint. Ang products po natin actually ay wholesale ang prices. Yes. Okay, because of the business model na meron ng company. Ayan. So dito, amazing products na incredible prices pa. Okay, and number 3 and 4, no auto shipping. So hindi ka dito pipilitin ng company na bumili ng products every month. Okay, para lang makuha mo yung commission or ma-maintain mo yung rank mo. So dito wala na po 'yan. You buy whenever, whatever you want. And number 5, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. That means that within 90 days, na-order mo yung products, pag di mo nagustuhan or nagkaroon ka ng adverse effects sa health mo, no questions asked, ibabalik sa inyo yung pera mo. So ganun tayo ka-confident when it comes sa products natin. And of course, number 6, number 1 business to join. So, syempre, ito lang naman yung mga naging track record ng company. No? Ayan, na magpapatunay kung bakit maganda po talaga itong si Live Good. Ito na lang, no, sa Business for Home, na-rank lang naman tayo ng AAA plus opportunity since 2024. Ayan, so ibig sabihin po, okay, kumbaga sa school pa, yung award po is with highest honor. 'Di ba? And not just that, nakapag-celebrate lang naman tayo ng 1 million members in span of 13 months, and we are featured also in DSN, Direct Selling News. And of course, ating 3 years ng ating company, nakapag-payout lang naman ng tumataginting na 140 million US dollar. Ganun ka-generous ang ating company, no? O kaya na mag-compute in peso, no? And not just that, ay of course right now nasa 2.3, okay? Nasa 2.3 million plus members and affiliates na po tayo, and still growing. 'Di ba? And of course, the reason of the growth, no, of the company, of the a great track record is because of our corporate team. Ayan, starting off syempre sa ating CEO, no? So syempre, maganda sa owner po natin ay unang una, veterano. Okay? So make sure pagka sumasali po kayo, tingnan niyo po yung may-ari. Kung may experience ba or baka mamaya gawin lang tayong experiment, no? So we are blessed po, no? Kasi CEO natin 20 plus years of experience in this kind of business. 20 plus years of experience na pagpapatakbo ng mga successful na mga companies. No, may iba na maraming experience pero walang track record ng success. Ayun lang. Pero ito po no, so far ang dami niya na pong companies na naging successful and create niya po itong si Live Good because he wants to really solve no yung majority na problem okay ng industry. Yes, and of course, he's also an IT guy. Maririnig po natin siya every week sa ating Zoom call. And grabe din po, super transparent. Grabe yung heart niya na tumulong. Yes. Okay, masasabi ko ang para siyang ano po si Elon Musk. Yes, Elon Musk of direct selling industry kasi super genius po talaga, no? And the vision ay grabe po, no? And kasama niya rin po si Noder Kazan, ng ating Director of Field Development. So yes, over 30 plus naman na years of experience in this kind of business, no? Sila pa lang, they have 50 plus years of experience na po in the business. So alam po natin, veterano po yung ating nagmamaneho. Okay? So, ibig sabihin po, okay, alam mo yun, magkakaroon tayo ng confidence. Okay, na ito po ay pang long term. Okay, and yung in charge din ng ating mga products, syempre, ang ating Director of Product Development and Product Education, ang magpartner na si Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. Ayan. Okay, so, grabe din po kasi may background din po sila of health and wellness, sa pharmacy. Okay, so alam po nila yung nangyayari po sa health and wellness industry. Lahat nakita na po nila the good, the bad, the ugly, and the worst. Kaya they make sure, syempre dahil sila din nagtitake ng products, they make sure na quality, organic, potent yung mga products natin na magkakaroon ka ng confidence to share the products kasi sobrang ganda po talaga. No? So, bakit po ganun yung track record na companies? Because of this awesome people. Ayan. So, ano ba yung goal natin? Okay, so napakasimple to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. And to help people earn easier and faster than any other company in the industry. So, of course, lahat ng mga products natin, lahat yan made in the US. May mga certifications ng GMP and USDA. May mga lab tests din. Of course, meron tayong third-party certifications. No, you can check sa website po natin, okay? Na magpapatunay na lahat po ng products natin ay pure and potent. Okay? And ito naman yung some of the newest products natin like CBD gummies. Ayan, so good for pang-relax, pampakalma, restful sleep, etc. And ito naman ang ating NAD plus dissolving strips. Ayan, na pang-support ng ating cellular energy, sa metabolism, brain health, and many more. So maganda po ito especially sa mga nagkakaedad na, no? Ayan, and of course ito naman ang ating parasite cleanse. Naku, ang dami pong of course benefits din nito kasi ito ini-eliminate po nito yung mga parasite and lahat po ng cycle ng parasite po no from egg and from pag mature po niya, ini-eliminate po niya, no? Tapos hindi lang 'yan, syempre dapat ano rin may mga other benefits din, no? Restore microbial balance, improve digestion and bile flow, ayan, and many more. Okay, and marami pa po tayong mga upcoming na mga products. Ayan, and of course, we are legit company registered in Florida, USA, and ito naman po ay ating mga certifications na nagpapatunay na quality, organic, and potent yung products natin. And of course, iba-iba yung pangailangan natin. That's why the company keeps creating products tailored for specific needs. Siyempre, iba yung for men, for women, nutrition, skincare. Kaya, yun yung maganda. No? Ang company po, nagke-create po ng mga products. Almost every month, no? Na may mga nilalabas na mga products. Grabe. Okay? And para tayo mag-order, you can order si consumer or member. So both of them low prices, especially pag nag-member ka. Much lower na bibili mo. And ano po yung patunay, no? Ito, sample na lang natin itong greens, no? Okay? Alam niyo po ba, 350 grams, no? Very, ano to, kumbaga famous, especially sa atin dito sa Pinas, no? Marami ng mga barley, ayan, na nakikita natin, di ba? Sa, ano, sa market right now, no? Alam niyo ba, yung 350 grams, sa ibang companies, umabot ng 3,600 to 6,000 binibenta. Ganyan po yung binibenta nila. Alam mo sa atin, magkano lang? Okay? Isama mo na shipping fee, approximately around 2,000 pesos. Ito matindi bakit? Yung barley, isang ingredient lang. Ang dami ingredient yan. no? Grabe po talaga. O, ito pa, no, essential oils. Okay, alam niyo po ba yung essential oils, ano po yan, billion-dollar companies na po yan. Sila yung mga competitor natin. Yes, no, mga essential oils lang, mostly yung mga ano po nila, produkto. No? Maraming benefits din po 'yan, pang-cleaning, pang-relax, no? Pang-patulog, okay? Ang dami po talaga, okay? And alam niyo po ba yung isa diyan, okay, yung, tinatawag na frankincense, okay, sobrang mahal po niyan. Umabot po ng 4,000 to 6,000. Isa pa lang, isa pa lang po. Alam niyo po ba sa atin magkano lang, isama mo na shipping, around 3,000. Anim po 'yan, kasama na yung frankincense. Sa iba, magkano? Umaabot ng 8,000 up to 13,000. Gano'n ka-expensive. Pero dito, grabe, wholesale ang presyohan. Itong black seed oil, the remedy for everything but death, and ang dami ding health benefits. Sa iba, binibenta around 48 to $49. Sa atin, around 1,400. Okay? 1 or 1,500. Approximately 1,500 kasama shipping. Itong collagen, no? Sa iba, gano'n din binibenta, $70 to $80. So, medyo mahal. Sa atin, around 3,000 lang, mahigit. Grabe, no? And I know, sa isip nyo, tumatakbo sa isip nyo right now, mapapaisip kayo, how is it possible? Hindi mo malulugi yung company. Ayan. So, yun po yung isi-share din natin ngayon. So, naging possible yan, it is because of the business model. Ayan. So, ito yung isa rin sa mga gusto kong i-share, no, na proud din po tayo because available na po tayo in 200 plus countries and territories since day one. Yes, while other companies nag-open ng market, one country at a time. Di ba? One country at a time, mapapansin nyo, especially sa Pinas. Expanding sila, no? One country lang at a time. Pero dito, ay grabe naman. 200 plus countries agad. Kaya literally, itong mga countries na nakikita nyo, talagang pwede ka mag-market. Yes, pwede ka mag-share ng products natin. Bakit? Pag nag-order mo, coming products mo, pag ginawa yung business, magagawa din yung negosyo. Pag nakakumita through our affiliate program, makukuha din yung commissions. Oh, gano'n kagaling, gano'n katindi, 'no? Kaya parang ano po ito, advanced technology na kumbaga parang na-create siya 15 years or 50 years from now pero na-create nung 2022. Ang ng pangalan Live Good. Eh, ito yung mga samples sa mga partners natin worldwide. Meron tayong Uzbekistan, in Russia, of course dito sa Pinas, Indonesia, in many parts in Africa like Uganda, Nigeria, South Africa. Ang dami. India, Sweden, Bangladesh, of course, in the US, in Vietnam. Ang dami guys, no? Ayan. And ngayon, naging posible po yan. Highest quality products, wholesale price, global market. Naku, naging posible yan is because of this business model. Ano po yun? Yan. Okay? I know marami po sa atin ay meron na nito. Okay? Ano po ito? Subscription. O type mo nga dyan, subscription. O, para tumatak sa inyo. Ano ba ito? Subscription na to. Simplihan lang natin. It is a business model where people pay regularly. Yan. Meron ka bang naalala, binabayaran mo every month or every year para no access ng products, services, or benefits. Yan. Para di kayo mahirapan, bigyan ko ng sample, no? Pamilya naman tayo nito, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Sam's Club, Disney Plus, Costco, Rocket Car Wash. Anong common sa kanila? Yung mga tao nagbabayad every month or every year para ma-enjoy yung benefits. Anong mga benefits na yun? Unlimited movies, free shipping, oh, di ba? Unlimited car wash, okay? O ano pa, discounted na mga products and many more. Oh, 'di ba? So, ito para talagang mas maintindihan natin, ito nagbabayad ba kayo kuryente, tubig, naghuhulog ba kayo? Kaya hulog kayo ng SSS nyo, GSIS, nagbabayad kayo ng internet nyo. O parang subscription na rin kasi na-enjoy yung benefits. Di naman kayo may-ari. 'Di ba? Di tayo may-ari niyan, pero na-enjoy natin yung benefits na ino-offer nila. Ah, 'Di ba? So, ngayon about subscription naman po, no? Okay? So, pag-usapan natin more about this one. Alam niyo po ba itong Netflix, sample natin. Okay? Around 600 plus mahigit yung binabayaran every month, 'di ba? 303 million subscribers, 45.2 billion po ang revenue last year, and 10.43 billion yung net profit. Costco, 145 million members, 5.3 billion US dollar ang revenue sa membership fees pa lang alone last year. So, may kita nyo dito, ito pa lang, grabe. Kumbaga, yung mga may-ari talagang masasabi nating mayaman, no? mayaman na. But though these companies offers amazing products and services, they don't have what LiveGood has. Ano po yun? Memberships that pays. Yun. Alright, so try natin na i-compare no, LiveGood versus other companies. Sa ibang companies, meron silang magandang products and that includes, of course, LiveGood. And at the same time, services. So wala tayong question dyan, of course. Kaso nga lang, walang income sa kanila. Ayun lang. Pero dito, here's the good news. In here, you can be consumer, member, affiliate, part owner, and even shareholder or co-owner. Grabe, oh. So, ngayon, I know curious kayo, paano? Okay, so, andito na tayo sa exciting part. Tatanungin ko muna kayo. Would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Sino dito gusto kumita ng dollars? Patay pa ako ng dollar sign. Ayan, dollar sign. Okay, for those interested in earning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. So, dito natin pag-usapan ang affiliate program side. Ayun, kasi meron pong earning side o earning opportunity itong company na to. Ayan, so, ngayon, paano ba tayo maging affiliate member? So, syempre, okay, para ma-enjoy natin yung benefits in-offer ng company, kailangan nating maging affiliate member. So, okay, meron tayong dalawang options dito. Okay, like pareho sa mga ibang subscription companies. So, nang una, meron tayong monthly, okay, membership fee na babayaran natin sa unang buwan is 3,000. Yan, 3,000 lang sa unang buwan natin. Tapos in the following month, 600 pesos lang. No? I-maintain. Yan lang po yung OPEX or overhead expenses mo. Kasi 'di ba pag traditional business kailangan mo magbayad ng renta, ng kuryente mo, 'di ba, ng tubig, 'di ba? Empleyado sa sahuran mo, 'di ba? O magre-renew pa ng mga lisensya, 'di ba? Okay, mga permits. Okay, dito, okay, ang ano po natin overhead 600 lang. Yes, 600 lang every month. Global business, highest quality products, lowest price or factory price ng mga products, yun. No? Galing, di ba? Pero ang tanong, gusto mo ba ng libre? Ayan, sino gusto ng libre? Pa-type ng free. Ngayon, kung gusto mo ng libre, lalo na tayo, ang hilig natin libre. O ito, meron tayong pangalang options which is yearly. Ayan, babayaran natin sa yearly. Ang maganda dito kasi 8,400 lang. Yes, 8,400. Okay? Kasi dito, instead na 12 months babayaran mo, 10 months lang. Okay? Kasi yung 2 months, binigay na po ng company sa'yo ng libre. And maganda kasi nakatipid ka ng $20 or 2 months. Ayan. O di ba? May libre kang 2 months or $20. Kaya kung gusto mong kumbaga hindi ka na mag-iisip every month, no? Babayaran mo, might as well you go for yearly membership. Okay? Ayan. So, ano naman yung benefits? And take note that we are not a traditional MLM or direct selling company na pag nag-member ka, meron ka kagad bit-bit na products. So, hiwalay po yung products po natin sa ating membership. So, isipin niyo po ito parang Costco sa US. Or sabihin na lang natin para mas para magits natin Landers and SNR. Ayan. So, I know majority sa atin familiar na po 'yun, 'di ba? Bago ka makabili ng mga discounted products doon, 'di ba, kailangan mag-member, bayad ka yearly. Dito ganoon din. Kaysa nag-member tayo, wala tayong hawak na products, but may benefits ka. Syempre, may kapalit din po 'yun. Hindi nga lang physical products. Ano po 'yun? Unang-una, access to membership club. O, parang Costco. Lahat ng products natin kagaya nito, ayan, pakita ko sa inyo itong Super Greens. Ayan, so ma-access nyo yan, highest quality, sinabi ko kanina, tapos wholesale. Instead na i-compare mo, bili ka sa labas or sa ibang company na 3,600 or up to 6,000 pesos dito, kay around 2,000 lang, sama na shipping fee. Ayan. O, di ba? Wholesale, nabibili mga products natin. Okay? Ayan, ano pa? Siyempre, digital marketing products. Ayan. So, siyempre, lahat ng mga tools, system na, kumbaga, kinikreate ng company, ma-access po natin yan. Okay, not just that, we have not just 1, 2, 3, but 9. Yes, you heard that right. 9 replicated websites. Grabe, galing, no? Oh. Okay, and of course, mga free online trainings via Zoom, lifetime support, savings sa products up to 75% compared sa ibang companies, and 9 ways to earn. Okay, so ito po yung mga sample pala ng ating mga replicated. When say replicated websites, ito po ay gawa na po ng company. Once you become an affiliate member, naka-ready na yan. No? Pag once na ginamit mo, copy mo lang, mag-share mo through your social media accounts or through your messaging platforms. Okay? Yan, merong pong, pag inopen nila, merong pangalan mo sa taas. Ayan, welcome to, ayan, Juan de la Cruz website. Galing, di ba? Na parang sa'yo talaga, ikaw nagpagawa. O, pero company gumawa niyan para sa'yo. Grabe, no? O, ito. Okay, talagang gaano ka-supportive ang ating company. Hindi ka lang pre-provide ng isa. Siyam. Meron kang company site. Meron kang Powerline landing pages. Dalawa yan, English and Spanish. By the way. Okay, and meron ka ring retail site. Dalawang product sites. No, free detox, Live Good Clinic, and health assessment websites. And actually, madadagdagan pa yan. Grabe, no? Ganun ka all out sumuporta po ang ating company. Ayan. And of course, nandito na tayo sa exciting part din. Ayan. So, how do we make money, live good, and enjoy all its benefits? So, ngayon, share ko lang sa inyo, meron tayong dalawang structure. Okay, para magkaroon kayo ng overview. So, meron tayong tinatawag na unilevel, wherein you can refer as many people as you can and up to 10 levels deep lang. Ayan, okay? And matrix. Ito po ay hindi na po tayo yung binary po, no, na left and right, lalagay ka pa pares, hindi po. Matrix, ang system naglalagay sa atin, okay? Ang system naglalagay sa atin sa matrix, hindi po tayo nagde-decide. Okay? And up to 15 levels deep po siya. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw nasa taas, yung frontline mo dalawa, frontline niya tagde-dalawa. Okay, again, wala tayong control dyan. Ang system ang naglalagay dyan. Okay, so we have 9 ways to earn pero hindi ko po i-share lahat ito. Okay, yung mga pinaka-importante lang para hindi tayo ma-overload ng info. Okay lang po ba? Ayan, okay? Alright, so ngayon, dito tayo sa unang kitaan. Yan, meron tayong tinatawag na retail commissions. So, meron tayong dalawang ways para kumita dito. Meron tayong shop link and physical products. Ayan. So, for example po, no, ito, nagbenta po tayo sa ating website. For example, no? Ayan. So, merong price difference sa $6. So, what will happen, ang mangyayari is, magiging earnings mo $3 sa'yo, $3 po sa company. So, syempre, kailangan din kumita ng company. 'Di ba? So, ito naman, for example, international pack. Okay? Merong difference sa $30, $15 sa'yo, and $15 sa company. Yan. Yan po yung sa retail commissions. And ito naman ang fast start. Once na nag-share ka, for example, meron kang na-sharean, gusto lang yung products. Okay? Ayan. So, pwede siya mag-member. Ang babayaran niya, pwede pong 600 lang. Yes, pwede po mag-member 600 lang. Di ba kanina sinabi ko 3K? Dito, kung products lang gusto nila, 3,000. Ay, 3,000, I mean 600, sorry. Okay, kung products ang gusto, 600. Pero kung gusto nila yung may affiliate program, yun po yung 3,000. Okay, so clear po, no? So, for example, nagbayad sila 600, so meron po tayong commission na 300 pesos. Di ba? Kalahati, grabe, no? So, dito, for example po, ay, ano po, meron kang na-enroll this week na 10 member, okay? On the following week, meron kang 3,000 pesos. Ayan. And dito naman is next na affiliate to affiliate. Eh gusto rin nilang kumita. Ayan. So dito, pag ano po sila, nag-affiliate member, nagbayad ng 3K, meron kang 1,500 na tumataginting. Grabe. Ayan. So, for example po, meron kang ano po, no, na-refer na 5. So, dahil weekly ito binibigay, in the following week, meron kang $125. So, unlimited po ito. Unlimited. Okay, and of course, dito po sa ating sample computation, no, alam nyo po ba, dito pa lang, meron po tayong program na tinatawag na Power of 5. Ayan, wherein ang program na to, refer ka lang ng 5, yung 5 mo ganun din, 5 sila, and yung 5 mo ganun din, refer sila tigli 5. Okay? So, ang mangyayari, sabihin natin, ito kasi level 10 eh. So, ibig sabihin, 10 months or worst case scenario, 10 years. Alam niyo po ba na pwede po tayong kumita ng tumataginting na 6 million US dollar or 369 million pesos? Sulit or sobrang sulit? Sobrang sulit niyan. Saan ka makakahanap ng company, legit company, na syempre may effort din pero grabe yung balik. In fact, dito pa lang po, no, this company pays out up to 80% ng fast start bonus. no? Kaya this part alone can easily beat other comp plan designs kasi ito pa lang sobrang generous na. Yes, sobrang generous na po talaga. Okay? Ayan, so ito po yung mga leaderboard natin, no? Makikita nyo po sa ating top 10. Tingnan nyo naman po, namuhunan lang magkano 3K or 8-4, nag-yearly sila. Magkano yung binabayaran every month? 600. Okay, or di na nagbabayad 600 kasi nag-yearly na eh, 8-4 na eh, binayaran eh. Pero tingnan niyo naman po yung kinita po nila. For, syempre may trabaho po ito, may effort po. Okay, wala pong kumita na nakatambay lang. Except kung milyonaryo ka na, bilyonaryo, invest mo lang pera mo. Tingnan mo naman po, no? Yung 3,000 or 8,400 nila, umabot po ng 1.3M. Yung balik. 1.4, 1.7, 1.9, 2.1, and up to 3.8 million. Di ba US-based company to? Dito walang pa-favor-favor. Kung sino mag-e-effort, sila re-rewardan. Tingnan niyo naman po top 1, top 2. Vietnam, Canada. Top 3 US. Oh, top 4. Oh, South Africa. Oh, top 5. Oh, UK. Canada, ito pa, sali pa yung, Turkey. Grabe, di ba? Oh, amazing, no? Ayan. So, dito, kung sino talaga mag-e-effort, yun po yung re-rewardan. Grabe. So, ito po yung ating rank up. So, hindi ko po i-discuss ng malalim, okay, para hindi rin tayo mag-overload dito, no. So, pero share ko lang sa inyo overview. So, dito meron tayong rank up. So, dito hindi mo bibilin yung rank up. Magbe-build lang tayo ng team. Tutulungan lang natin yung ating team na mag-grow. Ayan. So, for example, bronze. Maganda dito kasi napakadaling mag-bronze. Gaano kadali? 2 tao lang. Yes, 2 tao lang. Okay? Ang silver naman, at least magkaroon ka ng minimum 20 na total team. Okay, minimum po 'yun kasi meron pang ibang requirements which i-discuss po 'yan sa ibang no, sa ibang topic. Ayan, okay? Ibang training po. Once na mag-start ka na. Okay, meron naman tayong gold up to 100 total team minimum. Platinum 500 team, Diamond 2,500 na team, and Crown Diamond naman na 50,000. Ayan. And soon, kung magkaroon po tayo ng as per our CEO magkaroon na tayo ng 10 Crown Diamond, ay mag-upgrade po ang ating rank. Ayan, magkakaroon tayo ng Royal Crown Diamond. Ay, grabe naman. Okay? So soon po, and it will of course really happen. Okay? We believe on that. Okay? So ngayon meron pa lang tayong 3. So ano na lang, 7 na lang yung kulang. 'Di ba? Ayan. And of course, next naman natin dito is ang ating matrix bonus. Ito, monthly po ito binibigay. So, ang goal lang natin dito, makapag-build ng subscribers. O, type po nga dyan, subscribers. Yan, subscribers po. No? Na ibig sabihin, yung magme-maintain ng 600. Di ba? Kasi na-enjoy yung products, kumikita din. Ayan, na-enjoy yung affiliate compensation plan. Okay? So, dito, every time nagsusubscribe po silang 600, meron tayong 15 pesos. Di ba? Isipin mo, parang ang liit naman, 15 pesos. Pero wag ka. Okay, wag ka. So, ito po yung ating structure, no? Yan, sinare po natin kanina, ika nasa taas. Okay, yung, for example, may na-refer kang 2, ilalagay sila left and right. Yung pangatlo mo, system din maglalagay niyan. Okay? So, ang pagpa-place po, left, left, right, right. Left, 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 right, 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 right. Okay? So, ganun po yan. So, ikaw 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on. So, ganito po yan, no? Level 1, ikaw, 2. Pag mapuno yan, ilalagay sila sa level 2, 4. Pag mapuno po yung 4, fill na, next level naman. Level 3, okay, 8 people. And so on. Sample natin dito yung pang-8, no? Ayan. Pang-8 is, for example, 8 levels natin to 56 people, di ba? Dito pa lang, pag napuno yan, meron kang $64. Di ba? Pwede? Pwede na. And ito pa, pag napuno to, napagtulungan, dumami talaga. Napuno yung 12 levels mo, you can earn 6 figures or 100 plus thousand every single month. Yung 15 pesos mo, yes, pwede pong dumami yan, na up to mag 6 figures yan. Okay, pero hindi pa dyan yung exciting part. Okay, eto, meron tayong tinatawag na matching bonus. Ano nyo po ba, dito pa lang you can earn 50%. Yes, you heard that right, 50% from your direct matrix pay. And ito po, ito yung kumbaga, dito po ako na mind blown, no? Sa term namin na baliw. Hindi po yung nasa ano, mental, Huwag ka na mind blown na grabe may ganitong complan. Yes, may ganitong complan na ito, pag ano talaga, pag natulungan mo yung mga personal enrollees mo, meron kang kalahati sa kinikita nila. Ito, binibigay ito every month. And matindi, bakit? Generational. Kung yun matindi, ito mas matindi pa. Bakit? Pag nagra-rank up ka, no? Pag nag-rank up ka, syempre rank up din yung team mo, kikita ka po hindi lang sa kanila kundi sa entire team po nila. Entire team. Grabe. Oh, ito sample na lang po natin. Ayan. Okay, I don't know kung kanino 'to. Okay? Ayan, hihingi lang po natin. Alam niyo po ba, ito na-refer po niya yan si Ryan. And that time, bago lang po yan nag-diamond. Okay, and that time, alam niyo po ba, kumita, di ba yung 15 pesos, naipon yun. Kumita po siya 55K. Totoo po ba yung kalahati? Yes po. Yan, kumita lang naman po siya ng 27,000 mahigit. Grabe, di ba? Itong Abel na-refer din niya. 37K kinita, magkano ang income niya? 18K. Si Dave, na-refer niya, 18K yung kinita ni Dave. Magkano income ng taong to? 9,000. Ito matindi, bakit? Generational po ito eh. Oh, David, hindi po niyan referral Referral po ito ni Abel. Ito matindi guys, bakit? Kumita siya ng additional 4,000 plus, another 2,000 plus, another 2,000 plus. Ganun po ang power ng generational. Na to the point actually, dumami yan. Merong $30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 1.25. Ang dami na umabot actually ng 6 figures. No? And actually, ano lang yan, maliit pa lang yan. Kasi yung iba, umaabot po ng 7 figures. 7 figures po talaga, grabe. Ganyan po yung power ng generational matching natin. Grabe po talaga, okay. So, dito po 'no, 'pag, nakapag-start ka, we encourage na, sali mo yung dalawang family member mo na tatrabaho. Kasi darating yung time 'pag natrabaho niyo, dumami yung tao, 'pag, for example, napuno yung matrix nila, matrix mo and nagkaroon ka ng matching sa family mo, dalawang family, you can earn up to 6 figures, 500,000 every single month. That is month after month, after month, after month, every single month. Yan po yung future at kahit pa actually umabot pa ng 10 or even 12 years, naku, sulit pa rin yan. Kasi bakit? Iba nga 20, 30, 40 years na lang po sa ginagawa nila. Hindi naman kumita ng gano'ng kalaki, 'di ba? Oh, okay na extra income pang-snack. Ito pa, siyempre 'pag nakapag-ano ka dito, start ka 'no, tapos siyempre kahit papaano nakapag-refer ka at least 20, natulungan mo sila, dumami ng team and napuno yung, matrix. Ayan, yan po yung puwedeng kitain, up to 7 figures every single month. That is month after month, every single month. Grabe, 'di ba? Okay, and ito naman po yung sample earnings natin ng ating mga Live Good affiliates, ng gold po ito. Ayan, ay kumita siya 17K, yan pwede na rin. Nag-platinum po siya, ayan kumita po siya ng 6 figures, 200,000+. O, pwede na? Puwedeng-pwede. Okay? Ayan, and ito naman po 'no, ang ating, diamond bonus pool, alright. Ito na po yung para kang ano, co-owner or shareholder ka na. Kasi dito po, maglalaan po yung company ng 2% ng sales niya sa product, sa membership, at ipapamigay na sa mga diamonds. Hati-hatiin po yan nila. For example po 'no, 50M yung sales ng company, times 2%, equals $1,000,000. So, yun po yung hati ng diamonds. For example, meron tayong 200 diamonds pa lang. So, lahat ng diamonds maghahati-hati ng 5,000. Ayan, okay? So, sample na lang natin dito kay Coach Shayan. Alam niyo po ba, in 3 months time, so medyo bago lang po siya nag-diamond that time. Ayan, umabot po actually ng almost 7 figures, guys. Grabe, pwede na, no? Kung isasama pa natin fast start, actually 7 figures yan. Grabe. Pero hindi diyan nagtatapos. Meron pa tayong Crown Diamond bonus pool. Kanina 2%, ngayon naman 0.5. Ayan. So, ganoon din 50M times 0.5, that's 250,000 divide tatlong Crown Diamond, 83K. Ito po ang ano natin, sample natin si Tim Miller. Unang Crown Diamond sa US, sa buong mundo rin. And grabe po, why? Kasi sobrang inspiring kasi naka-wheelchair po siya. Nag-crown diamond siya na naka-wheelchair. Grabe po. Yes, 'no? And in 13 months time, na-hit niya lang po naman ang kanyang first 7 figures. Hindi po peso, US dollar. And dumating po yung time na isang buwan, magkano po kinita niya? For almost 4.5 million. O, tingnan niyo po yung date. 2023 pa yan. Anong year na po ngayon? So, malamang sa malamang, baka times 2 or times 3 na po yan. Yung total na income niya. Grabe, di ba? Okay, so ito po yung mga kumita and of course kasama na rin tayo dyan. Yung iba hindi na po natin na-update but the bottom line, may kumikita po talaga. Hindi lang maingay pero legit na may kumikita and nakakalulang kita. Okay, and as of now, no, nasa 2.3M na po tayo mahigit members and affiliates worldwide. And alam niyo po ba, tip of the iceberg ba lang yan? Even the 5 million, yes. Kasi yung mega structure, 20, 30, 50, even 100 million. As per our owners, no? Ang magjo-join in 10, 20, in the years to come. Projection natin, no, na hopefully, no, in God's will, na before matapos ang taon, magkaroon tayo ng 3 million plus subscribers. Before matapos yung taon. No? And guys, ngayon pag naintindihan nyo to, I believe na talagang once you see it, you can't unsee it. Kasi sobrang kakaiba, sobrang unique, and napaka-simple, and napaka-actually genius ng pagka-create ng business model po na ito. Mostly ng mga pahirap, yung malaking auto ship, no, yung mga kamada, no, tinanggal na po yan. Naku, ito hindi mo po makakamada. Ikaw na malulugi ka na lang, hindi mo makakamada po talaga. Okay? Oh, hindi mo makakamada na i-outsmart mo yung system, yung ano po natin, Complan, hindi po, hindi mo talaga ma-outsmart. Kaya long term, this is built for long term. Okay? Ang ganda ng products, highest quality, hindi mabablock market. Kasi mostly sa iba, di ba? Nabablock market eh, nasa Shopee, Lazada na. Dito hindi mo magagawa yan. No? Bagkus, kung ilalagay mo pa sa mga shopping platforms, mas mataas pa yung presyo. Unlike sa iba, ang laki ng presyo, doon bagsak presyo na. Kaya yung mga tao, nandun na sa Shopee, Lazada. Kaya yung mga normal distributor, kawawa. 'Di ba? Ganyan po talaga pag ano, galawan ng traditional na na direct selling or MLM. Pero ito never po talaga. Okay? Kaya naka-build po talaga siya for long term. No, yung flash out, no, yung strong leg retention, 'di ba? Yung malaking auto ship, nako tinanggal na po yun. Ang dami pong tinanggal na in short, mas minagaan. Walang pressure, no? Ayan, no, i-maintain mo, 'di ba, ipo-push mo dapat, 'di ba? Yung ano products, 'di ba? Magho-hoard ka, iba na-e-expire na lang yung products, no? Kasi kailangan mo i-maintain. Ang laki ng maintenance every month. So ito, wala na po, ang dami po talaga and talaga na po tayo naman napatunayan kasi millions of members na yung nag-join, no? Kaya right now, alam niyo po ba that this is just the beginning. Kumbaga nagpapainit pa lang po tayo ng engine. Hindi pa tayo lumilipad, guys. Hindi pa. Hindi pa po talaga, no? Nagpapainit pa lang po ng makina. No, kumbaga sa train pa, ano po ito, 'di ba, yung train aandar, 'di ba? Dadaan sa iyo. Okay, bubukas yung pito, sasara. Either sumakay ka or hindi magsasara yan tapos aandar. Ito, this is a bullet train. Mabilis to, guys. Mabilis po talaga to, no? 'Di ba, yung bullet train na natin yung alam niyo po ba yung Shanghai Maglev, 'di ba? Currently the fastest commercial train ngayon yung umabot ng 401 miles per hour if di ako nagkakamali. So, ang bilis nun. Ang bilis po nun, no? Ito, mabilis din. Di ba? Ngayon, nakadilat tayo. Pagpikit natin, pagdilat ulit, no? 2.3, 4M na. Sabihin natin, 3M, 4M, 5M. 10M na, 20 million na. Ang dami ng nagpapaka-healthy, kumikita, nababago po yung buhay. Ang tanong, ikaw, kumusta? Okay, I'm not saying this. Of course, there are a lot of opportunity out there that you can choose. Pero kung sa tingin mo, no, na maganda to in long term, 'di ba? So, why not give it a shot, no? Ayan. Okay, so if mag-join ka, welcome. If hindi naman, no worries, we're still friends. Okay? Ayan, so no pressure. No pressure. Okay, so here are top 5 reasons, remaining reasons why Live Good. So unang-una, we just officially launched globally. So nasa, again, pioneering stage pa lang din po tayo. High quality and very affordable health products, you name it. Okay? And of course, marketing system, tools and training. Naku, Hindi po humihinto ang company na mag-innovate na pagbigay ng mga tools. Websites, nako, you name it, talagang magbibigay at magpo-provide pa. Okay, mga trainings, no, every week, ang dami, product training, corporate call, okay, and the business side, no, na training, ang dami. Okay, simple, powerful, lucrative, and very generous po talaga na pay plan. Nakita naman po natin gaano ka-generous. Grabe. Okay? And successful, fun, and winning team. Ang tanong, are you A, B, or C? Do you want to become an affiliate member or retail customer? So if ever you become, of course, letter A. So before I end, I'll leave you with this one verse. Sabi sa Jeremiah 29:11, for you know the plans I have for you, yung sabi ni Lord. Plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope in the future. Guys, if you truly believe in your mind, body, and soul na may magandang plano si Lord sa life mo, well, then maybe, ito na po yun. Ang kailangan mo lang is to take action. Remember that faith without work is dead. No? And don't deceive yourself by hearing, no? But by doing also. Okay? Hindi lang nakikinig lang, kundi, no, pag-take action. Alright? So, thank you so much. Get back with the person that invited you in this presentation or this replay. Thank you so much. Again, God bless and welcome in advance sa ating community.